Okay, so back to the Ed Schartman's airlift Rattler. So you can see I've got the little spacer in there for the A pillar, but it's definitely too thick. So what I'm going to do now is I've got this Dremel, and I added well, a small little tip on it. That way I can get in the corners and that sort of thing. And I'm going to basically just kind of go along it nice and easy and try to trim some of this down and get it to blend a little better. So I'm going to do that off camera so it's not so noisy, and I'll be right back. I've been cleaning the body up. I still have some work to do on the A-pillar. You can see it looks way better. It's getting there slowly but surely. I'm using really light sandpaper because I don't want to really scratch this body up at all. So that's that. I also I did a really quick short on this too, on how to do a parachute cord and make it look realistic. So I'm really happy how that turned out. And basically what I did is I used, if you look at, I know a lot of you probably know this, you use the cord from a charger, an old charger, and you can pull back the sleeves and get these nice wires for plug wires. Well, it also has, if you get the right one, it also has this metal cover. And so what I found is I was able to use this, and it looks almost identical to the sleeve that goes over the parachute cords to protect it from dragging on the ground. So yeah, I was pretty happy with that. So been doing a lot of painting, getting this all painted up, getting the body all painted up. I did add some, these are actually, they were in one of my models. It was just an old rubber band, and it was a really good idea because they had basically cut the rubber band and then glued it to make it look like seat belts. I was like, oh, that's a great idea. So I stole it. I still need to add some end pieces to it for the buckles. So the engines come along, start to get it together, got the holes drilled for the valve covers and the plugs. It's really not supposed to be red. It should be blue if you look at the actual original. I'm not too concerned with it, so I'll probably just leave it red. Been doing a lot of just putting more detail on like the rims and the tire, black washing it. This looks so much better when you use the black wash. I use the Tamiya. Starting out with 150. I'm just going to tear a little piece of this off and do some work on it. Okay, well, I'm calling the A-pillar done. Is it perfect? No, but it's good enough for the girls we date, so I'm going to call this one done. The only thing I didn't really like is how on the very bottom I got some glue down there, and I can't quite get that off, get it sanded down enough. Really difficult without any filler or paint to cover any of this stuff up. So, but overall, I'm pretty happy with it.